Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Relic, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I didn't make a video yesterday while playing some Overwatch. So, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually didn't make a video yesterday. And the reason for that is because I actually had to go to court. Now, guys, I'm not a thug, and I didn't have to go for anything bad. Actually, I had to go for some parking tickets that I was challenging. Dude, oh my god, man. Can this lady stop putting up these ice shields, please? How am I gonna get kills doing this? Oh my god, stop! But anyway, I live in a community that is considered like a family community, like an upper class sort of thing, and I don't really live like an upper class person, but the thing is, a lot of the people around here do. So we have a lot of stupid laws that shouldn't really be there for any other reason other than to be snobby and stupid. For example, one of those stupid laws are you can't park your car for longer than 4 hours on a public street. And that law is the exact thing I got a ticket for. And the reason I got a ticket for that is, well, I don't have a driveway. Now, I'm pretty sure that my street is one of the only streets in this town that actually do not have driveways that are, like, connected to their, like, house. So what we have to do is actually park on the street because that's the only place we can park. But for whatever reason, the cops around here are super douchebaggy, and they actually decided, hey, you know, we'll just drive down the street and everyone who's been parking here for longer than 4 hours, we're gonna give a ticket to. And that is exactly what happened to me and everyone else that lives on my street, which is complete BS because where else are we gonna park our car? Inside our house? Like, honestly, there's nowhere else for us to put it. So this was about 2 weeks ago when I walked outside and I actually saw I had an orange ticket on my car, which is weird because I do have an overnight parking permit, so I could actually park at night on the street because that's another stupid law you can't do. So I'm allowed to park overnight on the street. So I was honestly really confused as to why there was a ticket because that's what I assumed it would be for. Well, it turns out that one of these douchebaggy cops decided to drive down my street and give everyone a ticket even though they don't have driveways. So this ticket was for that. Now, the thing about these tickets is if you don't pay it, oh, I got play of the game, not too bad. But the thing about these tickets are that if you don't pay them within 10 days, they go from $20 up to $30, and then 5 days after that, they go up to $40. And knowing me, I forgot to pay my ticket because I'm not used to getting them. So about 2 days ago, which would be about 10 days after that ticket, I ended up going outside again and seeing yet another ticket on my car for parking outside of my own house for over 4 hours, which is ridiculous because there's nowhere else to park it. So what I ended up doing yesterday is actually going to the magistrate so I could go and complain about getting them and hopefully get at least one of them taken away. Because I read at the bottom of the ticket on the older one that you actually only have 10 days to appeal the ticket or else you have to pay the fine. So I did figure I would have to pay the $20 or $30 on that one ticket, but maybe the other one could get dismissed, but I brought them both in anyway. So I get all dressed up to see the judge, and I walk up to the magistrate because it's kind of close to my house. You're going down, Winston, you're going down. Where you going, buddy? Where you going? Can't hide? Are you kidding me, guys? But anyway, so I end up going into the magistrate. When I walk in that room, there was literally 30 seats and all of them were taken, meaning that each one of those people had a reason to be there and they all had to go in and see the judge for whatever reason, which would result in me actually having to be there for 2 to 3 hours just waiting to go in and complain about these tickets. But I'm not gonna leave just because there's a wait, and it's $40, so it's not like I'm just gonna pay $40 not to wait for 2 hours. So I go up to the lady at the desk to sign in, knowing that there's no seats available, so I'll have to stand for those 2 hours, or at least until someone else goes in and ends up leaving. She says, hey, why are you here? And I told her, I said, I actually came to challenge a parking ticket. And she says, do you have the ticket with you? And I'm not gonna lie to her, and I told her right there and then, I said, you know what? I actually do have 2 parking tickets that I'm trying to challenge here. And as soon as I said that, the people that were sitting down behind me that were already there sitting down, they all laughed. Like, they gave a little chuckle. They were probably thinking in their head, wow, this kid is gonna come to the magistrate, sit here for 2 hours to challenge 2 tickets that he's probably not even gonna get dismissed. Like, what an idiot. But I didn't care, and I told her my name, and I signed in and everything. and she takes my tickets and she goes into a back room. So I'm just standing here at the window waiting for her to like come back and tell me what's going on and just to like have a seat or whatever. And I hear her in the back room and she says something like, "Who is Officer 119?" or whatever it said on the ticket. And I'm just standing there, and so far like 15 seconds have gone past of me just standing there at the window waiting on what's gonna happen next, right? So this whole time I'm here, I'm thinking, wow, I'm gonna have to wait here for 2 to 3 hours until these people are done in here so that I could actually challenge these tickets and maybe get one of them taken away. But then the lady finally came back to the window and she said these magical words. And you know what those words were? The magistrate dismissed these. You're good to go. And when I heard those words telling me that I didn't have to pay either of those tickets and I could leave right there, only spending like 30 seconds in total instead of the original 2 to 3 hours I thought I would have to, it made me get a grin on my face so big. And I turned around to those people that laughed at me and I just smiled and I walked out. Like, it might not have been as epic as you guys might have thought I would have been. Like, you guys might have thought I would say something to them or whatever, but I didn't care. I was just so happy I didn't have to pay these tickets. But yeah, so that's why I didn't make a video yesterday. I was actually really busy. Not only did I do that, but I also went grocery shopping and I had to reapply for another permit so I could park my car overnight on the street, so that I don't get tickets for that too, which would be annoying. But yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like below. Let me know if you guys want to see any other stories like this, and I will be sure to let you guys know. But anyway, guys, I hope that this story wasn't too boring for you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'm going to be playing the crap out of Overwatch tonight. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.